Huh.
Is that why sometimes they tell me that my forecasts are full of beeswax?
Yeah, I'd say so.
I don't hear that very often, but it does occasionally happen.
You're going to hear that in a couple of days,
Yeah,
aren't
you will.
You know, people are really happy. They smile when I go into the store on nice days like today. But if it's crummy, they look at me like, so when are you going to change the weather? Take a look at these gorgeous, beautiful shots of ballooning in the Wasatch Mountains and near Sandy and Draper this morning. Unbelievably beautiful. It was a perfect sprint out and do a little ballooning. Here's what it looked like from the foothills. Keith Finlayson, we love his pictures. Blue skies this morning. You see the Oquirrhs off in the background, and what you notice is with this warmer weather, we're starting to see the Salt Lake Valley green up, and isn't that nice? Love it. Hey, tonight, very light scattered showers. Temperatures are in the mid-50s. This is in association with a very weak storm. Let's go to Live 5 Viper because there is something interesting we can see here on Viper. As we move in a little closer, some light sprinkles. This is just enough to, like we're talking 15 drops per acre, just enough to mess up a good car wash, unfortunately, down towards Tooele, southwest side of the valley. Not much of this is reaching the ground, but as you can see, movement is coming in from the west and the northwest, and there is the possibility of a dribble or two overnight as this weak weather front moves by. Big picture, 55 in Salt Lake City, 37 at Great Falls. The other day they were 72, now they're 37. A little bit of rain and snow falling up in the north part of the Rocky Mountains. 44 in Denver, 75 in Phoenix. We hope that the score at the Jazz game is 44 degrees or 44 at halftime tomorrow night with the Jazz way ahead. 63 the high in Salt Lake City today, 80 in Vegas. Out to the east, we found a cool 67 in Atlanta. They had some northeast winds. They caused some colder temperatures on the south side of the Appalachian Mountains, but it was 84 in Miami and 85 in Brownsville, Texas. Coolest weather was across the central part of the country. 60s for highs today, and look at these nighttime lows in the 20s. I hope you're not planting your gardens yet. You know that the old adage is wait until after Mother's Day, and that's for the Salt Lake Valley. Some of the colder valleys, you'll want to wait a little bit longer. 63 in Salt Lake City, morning low was 36. And Larry Matthews says today it was one of those days you get out the Sports Illustrated, sit on the back deck, and read in beautiful 77-degree weather. Here's this little weak weather system moving across Montana, bringing some light rain and snow showers. The tail end of it is just crossing northern Utah tonight, and associated with it is a very weak weather front. It should be well biased tomorrow, but some northwest winds and temperatures in northern Utah cooling by 3 to 5 degrees before we warm right back up on Monday. And I have to warn you, this storm is going to become a strong storm, and it's going to play a big factor in the weather midweek through the end of the week. So enjoy Sunday as much as you can because it will be just as nice across the central eastern sections as it was today. The north, it'll be a little bit different. 62 in Vernal, 73 in Green River. How about a high of 68 in Richfield, 33 for the morning low, 29 and 66 in Manti. St. George, 81, then 84, 85, and then Kerplunk. Chance for a few showers. Looks like the storm will stay across central and northern Utah, maybe Cedar City northward, more than across the south, but more than 10 degrees below normal there. And for the north, breezy weather. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with a high of only 60 in the capital city. But we will warm up quickly Monday to 67, 78 on Tuesday, gusty south winds, and then whoosh. Here it comes Wednesday, chance for showers and thunderstorms. Andy, it is cold enough Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for a rain, or should I say a snow rain mix. It's that cold.
In the valley.
In the valley. Wow. I'm not saying how much snow will accumulate. I'm just saying there could be some, we even could see some lake effect in here. We'll have to watch that.
All right. Thank you, Dan.
You're welcome. Sorry.
Jazz back and